The drone world is exploding with excitement once again, and this time, it's all about DJI's newest mini powerhouse. That's right, the DJI Neo 2 has officially leaked, and what we're hearing could completely change the game for 2025. We're talking about a brand new 4K 60 frames per second camera, massive flight time upgrades, AI-powered flight intelligence, and a design that still stays under 249 grams, meaning no registration, no hassle, and total freedom to fly anywhere. If you thought the original DJI Neo was impressive, wait till you see what this one can do. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. From a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and 04 transmission system to tridirectional obstacle sensing and neural-powered tracking, this isn't just another budget drone. This is DJI's smartest and most accessible flying camera ever. And in this video, we're breaking down everything: the leaked specs, camera performance, flight features, pricing, and release date. And trust me, what you're about to hear might make the Neo 2 one of the most exciting DJI launches of the year. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive into the full breakdown of the DJI Neo 2. The mini drone that might just outsmart the pros. The drone world is once again buzzing with excitement as new leaks surrounding DJI's next-generation mini drone, the DJI Neo 2, have taken the internet by storm. After months of speculation and insider rumors, we're finally getting a clearer picture of what DJI's next compact powerhouse might look like. The original DJI Neo surprised everyone with its intelligent design, impressive flight time, and advanced AI tracking at an affordable price. But if these new reports are accurate, the DJI Neo 2 could take everything to a completely new level. Featuring a new 4K camera system, extended flight range, improved stability, and AI-assisted flight intelligence, the Neo 2 looks set to redefine what's possible in the sub-250-gram drone category, making it one of DJI's most exciting releases of 2025. According to multiple leaks from industry insiders in China and Europe, DJI has been quietly developing the Neo 2 as a major step forward from its predecessor, not just a small refresh. The leaks suggest that the DJI Neo 2 will feature a completely redesigned camera module, equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. This is a massive upgrade from the original Neo, which maxed out at 2.7K. The larger sensor also promises better low-light performance, dynamic range, and color depth, giving content creators the ability to capture cinematic footage even during sunrise, sunset, or in challenging lighting conditions. DJI is reportedly using the same color science found in the Mini 4 Pro, which means improved HDR capture and natural-looking skin tones, features that creators have been demanding from smaller drones for years. In terms of design, the DJI Neo 2 will continue to follow the ultra-lightweight, foldable structure that made the first Neo so travel-friendly. However, leaked CAD renders suggest that DJI has refined the aerodynamics, introducing smoother arm hinges, stronger propeller guards, and a slightly more robust chassis to improve wind resistance. The weight is rumored to remain under 249 grams, which means it will stay below the registration requirement threshold in many countries, making it perfect for beginners and travelers who want hassle-free flying. Despite the lightweight build, the Neo 2 is said to include improved heat management and better internal cooling, allowing for longer continuous operation in hot weather, which was a minor issue for the first model. Battery performance is another area where DJI